Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're about Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack as always from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create this paper turn effect within Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, it looks like we have a page that's folding over, and within another page or image underneath, we have a desert image and we have an ocean image underneath. What I'd like to do is show the process of how to do it, and then you create some amazing stuff within your graphic design bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just remove that top layer and press backspace to remove it. Fantastic. And I'm just going to move that desert layer to the top here, as I've got an original copy ready for me to use. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit using the shortcut Command minus on a Mac or Control minus on Windows. And what I'm going to do now, start off by creating a rectangle like so. Fantastic. I'm just going to remove the stroke. What we need to do is apply a gradient to it, and I want the angle of the gradient to be -45, like so. Wonderful. And I'm just going to move that to the edge there, like so. Now I need to highlight my desert layer and my shape layer, so I'm going to press Shift and click on the desert layer, and with them both highlighted, I'm going to go right click and convert to Smart Object. And now what I'm going to do is press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. And if we go right click, we have the option of warp. And then what I'm simply going to do is click and drag that corner up like so, probably to a point like there. Wonderful. And what we need to do now is add a bit of sense of depth. And by me doing that, I'm going to double click on the top layer there and apply drop shadow to it. Obviously, you can come through and manipulate the spread, the size, and the distance and the opacity. I'm pretty happy how it looks. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that paper turn effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.